How to manage fundraisers notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage fundraisers notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines here and go down and click this one, settings and privacy, and then click settings and now click notifications and then go down until you find here Fundrises and Crisis. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage Fundrises notification. Just manage anything you want and just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.